Click on the link below to get price. The Skytech Gaming Rampage gaming PC is a powerhouse that caters to avid gamers and content creators alike. Packing an Intel Ultra 7 265F processor that boasts a clock speed of 5.2 GHz, this machine delivers exceptional performance, even for the most demanding tasks. The CPU, with its multiple cores and threads, allows for smooth multitasking, making it an excellent choice not just for gaming but also for video editing and 3D rendering. Coupled with the NVIDIA RTX graphics card, the Rampage offers stunning visuals and incredible frame rates, even in graphically intensive games. The ray tracing technology enhances realism, providing dynamic lighting, shadows, and reflections that elevate the gaming experience. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or engaging in competitive esports, the graphics performance is consistently impressive, providing a seamless experience with minimal lag or stuttering. The build quality of the Skytech Gaming Rampage is commendable. The case features a sleek design, with tempered glass panels that showcase the internal components and RGB lighting, adding a touch of style to any gaming setup. The ventilation is well thought out, ensuring that the system remains cool during long gaming sessions. The inclusion of high-quality fans further enhances the cooling capabilities, allowing the components to perform optimally without overheating. Storage options are also noteworthy, with a combination of SSD and HDD, providing both speed and ample storage space for games, applications, and files. The SSD allows for rapid boot times and quick loading of applications, while the HDD offers plenty of room for larger files and backups. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Rampage gaming PC is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a high-performance system. With its combination of powerful hardware, stylish design, and efficient cooling, it meets the needs of gamers and professionals alike. This rig not only delivers in terms of performance but also stands out aesthetically, making it a worthy addition to any gaming setup.